300 pieces, the whole tracksuit before Chinese New Year. We just finished the pre-production sample. It's super amazing. See this whole fitting, it's really amazing. So fabric, the design thing is super cool. Let me walk through this whole fitting. You can see obviously the stripe, the rhinestone is amazing, and this fabric really comfortable. This fabric is really comfortable. Yeah. Like this concept and 3D embroidery, custom weaving. The quality is really high end. Okay, the whole fitting, you feel it? Amazing. ApparelWin, I love it. And then this whole set 3 pieces, and with the 3D embroidery front of it, and the whole fitting, oversized fitting, drop shoulder. Really amazing. I like the fits and I like the details. Really high quality, and you can feel it. It's kind of like a shoe feeling. Really cool feeling, you know. Okay, so let's go ahead for the design. How's the original design? And to make this one, let's go. I want to talk about the jersey, and this is a really recent tech pack for the jersey. This one is not easy to work, you should know that. Like when I receive this one, I normally need to talk about the schedule, because Chinese New Year is coming. We have a lot of order, and it's like embroidery and also digital printing, and also you can see the neck. We have a multiple application in different position. So this digital printing is positioning digital printing. So it means like it is not random printing for all over the fabric. The print is right into a certain cut, and then we do the embroidery, 3D outline and fed embroidery inside. Super cool details. But I want to tell you, when you arrange this, make sure you have really specific requests. Then we can make your design really fast. So this is the outcome. We finished. Amazing. 300 pieces order for this decent design. Let me walk you through the whole tracksuit. So this zipper tracksuit, all of the details already marked out here, and especially in the back, and also with the positioning rhinestone. And you need to make sure you print first, and then you have the right position to place your rhinestone here. It's 300 pieces, you literally have different sizes, right? But think about that, you have a really jumbo rhinestone logo here. You need to consider it can fit to different size. Otherwise, if some of the size cannot fit such a big rhinestone, you need to spend more time, more money to make another rhinestone. So in this way, we can have our pattern maker to see which size is fit to all the sizes. Make it right for you. Really amazing. I love it. When I see this design, I talk to the brand owner. Hey bro, like let me do a collaboration with you to do a post. Say yes. Then I do it. Really high quality, 300 pieces. We need to finish before Chinese New Year. And he did not get the sample yet. We just saw the video and he confirmed, okay, go ahead for every pieces. So this is the way how a mature fashion brand work with us. Send a great tech pack, and then we make pre-production sample. So picture, video, and fitting video, and approve it. We go ahead for every pieces. Wonderful. Let's go get more order.